This is a 31-year-old female with complaints of pain right shoulder while lifting heavy objects. MRI right shoulder showed an altered signal intensity lesion arising from the sphenoglenoid region. This is T2 weighted coronal section showing T2 weighted hyperintense altered signal intensity lesion, which is lobulated and extending both anterosuperiorly and posterior-inferiorly into the adjacent muscular plane. Few thin septations seen within the lesion. This is T2 weighted coronal images, and this is T1 weighted coronal. The lesion is hypointense on T1 weighted. Same thing, arising from the sphenoglenoid notch and extending anterosuperiorly and posterior-inferiorly into the adjacent muscular plane. No obvious continuity into the joint space seen. No significant joint deficiency, associated significant joint deficiency. Again, this is T2 axial showing the altered signal intensity lesion, which is hyperintense on T2, hypointense on T1 weighted, and also hyperintense on statistical. This is T2 axial, again showing the lesion, which is hyperintense. The rest of the shoulder joint was unremarkable. No significant joint defusion was seen. So this is an altered T2 weighted but still hyperintense altered signal intensity lesion, and T1 hypointense altered signal intensity lesion seen arising from sphenoglenoid notch and extending anterosuperiorly and posterior-inferiorly in the adjacent muscular plane. Features in favor of possibly ganglion cyst, which is a common sphenoglenoid notch is a common location of ganglion cyst. Other differentials are sphenoglenoid varix bar paralabral cyst.